Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use HeyGen text to video in 2026. So if you want to turn simple text into AI avatar videos, faceless YouTube content, or marketing videos without a camera, yeah, this beginner guide will help you step by step. First, go to the HeyGen website and log into your account, so you can use a free or paid plan depending on your needs. Next, click on text to video or create video. This is the main feature that converts your script into a full AI video. So yeah, paste your text or script into the editor. HeyGen will automatically break your script into scenes and generate speech. Now select an AI avatar. You can pick from realistic presenters or even create a digital twin depending on your plan. So yeah, choose a voice and language that matches your audience. HeyGen supports multiple languages for global reach. Next, customize your background, layout, and captions. This makes your video look more professional and branded. So yeah, add subtitles, images, or visual elements if needed. This improves engagement and viewer retention. Now click Generate. HeyGen will process your text and turn it into a complete AI avatar video automatically. Finally, preview your video and download it in HD. So you can upload it directly to YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. And that's how to use HeyGen text to video in 2026. Once you understand scripts, avatars, and customization, you can create professional AI videos in minutes. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more tutorials.